Greetings, EV enthusiasts! Your reliable source, EV Equity Edge, is back to navigate the exciting world of NIO. As one of China's powerhouses in the EV sector, NIO is making waves internationally. In today's episode, we'll analyze NIO's daily performance, the latest news that's driving its price, and examine upcoming resistance and support levels. Let's embark on this electrifying journey together. NIO kicked off the day with an opening price of $10.67. Throughout the session, we witnessed some intriguing fluctuations in the stock's value, with the daily high peaking at $10.84 and the daily low reaching $10.46. This range of 3.53% showcases moderate volatility. Now let's shift our focus to the closing price. NIO closed the day at $10.54, reflecting a decline from the previous close of $10.76, resulting in a negative daily change of -2.04%. Today's price action suggests some selling pressure, which impacted the stock's performance. Analyzing the interplay with the points of resistance and support, we observe that NIO stock encountered resistance at the $10.84 level, corresponding to the daily high. How's that for accuracy? The stock faced selling pressure near this level, contributing to the negative price movement. In terms of support, NIO managed to hold above the $10.52 level, which was one of the support points from Thursday's analysis. This level acted as a crucial floor, preventing further downside and potentially attracting buying interest. Examining these abnormal metrics, Friday's negative daily change highlights the presence of selling pressure. It's essential to closely monitor how NIO stock behaves around the support levels we've identified, as they can play a significant role in determining future price movements. Furthermore, it's worth noting that Friday's daily volume of 40.23 million was relatively lower compared to the average volume of 55.60 million. This indicates a quieter trading day with reduced market participation. While analyzing the price action and its interaction with support and resistance levels provides valuable insights, it's important to consider other factors that may impact NIO stock. Market sentiment, company-specific news, and broader market trends can all influence the stock's trajectory. Let's delve into an intriguing article that discusses the potential for NIO stock to break out after a relatively flat first half of 2023. This insight sheds light on critical factors that could shape NIO's performance moving forward, so let's dive in. Throughout the first half of this year, NIO stock remained relatively stagnant, even as the S&P 500 index saw substantial gains. However, there's a notable twist in NIO's story. The stock experienced a remarkable rebound in June, setting the stage for a potentially stronger second half. One of the key drivers behind NIO's upward momentum was the company's record-breaking delivery of 40,052 vehicles in the fourth quarter of 2022, despite the challenges posed by the pandemic. However, subsequent quarters saw a decline in deliveries, which, coupled with plummeting margins, prompted concerns among investors and led to a drop in NIO's stock price. Complicating matters further, NIO faced intense competition, particularly from industry leader Tesla, which implemented multiple price cuts on its EVs, including its popular Model 3. These price cuts shook the market and forced other EV makers, including NIO, to reassess their strategies. In a significant move, NIO eventually gave in and announced price cuts ranging from 6% to 9% on its EV lineup in mid-June. This decision fueled a 29% surge in the stock price for the month, as investors perceived it as a positive step to remain competitive. Moreover, NIO's transition to a new platform and manufacturing line upgrades impacted its production and deliveries in recent quarters. However, the company's shift to the upgraded models, along with plans to expand production, signals potential growth and rising revenue on the horizon. The positive signs are already evident, as NIO's deliveries soared by 74% sequentially in June, surpassing the 10,000 mark once again. With management aiming for monthly deliveries to reach 20,000 as the year progresses, NIO appears poised for brighter days ahead. Considering these developments, investors will undoubtedly keep a close eye on NIO's performance in the second half of 2023. The company's ability to maintain momentum and capitalize on its upgraded models and expanded production will be crucial in determining its future trajectory. Let's turn our attention to the exciting prospect of NIO's upcoming price action and analyze how the stock might react as it approaches and potentially breaks through the designated levels of support and resistance. Starting with the resistance levels, we have $10.77, $10.99, and $11.17. These levels signify significant price barriers that NIO stock may encounter on its upward trajectory. As the stock approaches these levels, we can expect increased selling pressure from traders and investors who view them as potential areas of profit-taking. Should NIO stock manage to break through these resistance levels, it could signal a bullish sentiment and potential further upward momentum. A breakthrough might attract additional buying interest, leading to an extended rally. On the flip side, let's examine the support levels at $10.39, $10.23, and $10.01. These levels represent key price floors that NIO stock may find support from during potential pullbacks or downward trends. Investors who believe in the stock's long-term prospects might view these levels as attractive entry points. If NIO stock approaches these support levels, we might witness increased buying interest and a potential rebound in price. However, if the stock fails to hold these support levels, it could indicate a bearish sentiment and the potential for further downward movement. As with any price forecast, it's crucial to consider various factors that could influence NIO stock, including market conditions, industry trends, and company-specific news. These elements can have a significant impact on how the stock reacts to the identified support and resistance levels. Remember, price movements in the stock market are dynamic and can change rapidly. It's essential to stay informed, monitor the market closely, and adjust your investment strategies accordingly. With these support and resistance levels in mind, keep a close eye on NIO stock as it navigates the exciting terrain ahead. Stay tuned to EV Equity Edge for the latest updates and analysis on NIO and other electrifying stocks in the market. Well, that wraps up our in-depth look at NIO for today. If you found our analysis helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to EV Equity Edge to stay ahead of the curve. We'd love to hear your views in the comments section. And remember, we also have insights on Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, and Mullen waiting for you. Until next time, keep your investment engines running.